What is going on, guys? I just wanted to jump in here quickly and say a massive thank you to anyone who's watched one of my videos, or if this is the first time you're watching me, then my name is Stuart and I make motorbike related content on this YouTube channel. If you have seen one of my previous videos, you'll know that I had a bit of an arm injury. Just wanted you to know that I'm getting over that injury now and I'm really hoping to sort of pick up the pace with the videos. I just want to say a massive thank you to you guys because you've kept me motivated while I've been going through the recovery. When you leave nice comments on my videos telling me that you've been enjoying them, it gets me so motivated and so inspired to come back and to make more of them. It just gets me so gassed up to make more, so I really want to say thank you. And if in any way I can make fun and inspiring videos that you're going to enjoy, I'd be very happy. So I hope you continue to watch the videos and enjoy them. So with that all being said, let's jump back into the video and carry on with this build. Okay, so that is handlebars, chain roller, rear brake line, rear brake caliper, front brake caliper. I think that's quite a good bit of progress for this episode. Now, don't be too concerned about the fact that I haven't torqued anything down and I haven't obviously fully tightened the banjo bolts on the brakes or filled any brake fluid or anything like that. Basically, I want to get myself into a position where the bike is complete. I'm going to go through all the specs that come with the manual and torque everything down, apply thread locker where I need to, and then give the bike a proper shakedown. Still got a ton more to do. Actually, let's make a list. Brake pads, front brake hose. Now that I've got the handlebars, I could obviously do the controls, front and rear wheels, the chain slider. I need a rear axle. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna try and restore this seat cover. Might make a video on trying to restore this seat frame. Obviously the CR logo is badly faded. but I might have a trick up my sleeve for that. Okay, well that's enough for me to be getting on with, I think. I think that just about does it for this one. I've fitted all the parts that I currently have on the garage. I'm gonna have to get working on that list and try and find some more parts, whether they're gonna be parts to restore or some aftermarket upgrades. So I need to get cracking on sourcing some new parts so that I can bring you a brand new video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you get notified when that new video is coming out. Battery is about to die on this because I've been rambling and waffling on. Thank you very much for watching this video, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Alright, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.